everyone, it's Shama here. So now I'm going to do some French fries that my daughter asked me for, and we're just trying it out. And I've popped them in the air fryer basket, and now I'm going to turn it on. So now we've got the French fries in, and I've hit the air fry button, and I'm gonna hit start. It will preheat again, and French fries are in there. It does beep when it's ready, and after we'll let it cook for 15 and see what it looks like. So now the cooking time is ended, and it gave me a couple of beeps, and I'm going to just pull it out and see how it looks.
Alright, so now we're going to be trying the French fries from the air fryer. Get some ketchup in there. Oh my gosh. Amazing. One word, amazing.
So there you have it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to push the notification button so that you know when the next video comes up. See everybody soon.